Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active GeoSIM and working network. Once done, open the phone app and locate call settings so you can set up call divert. Next, dial 1999 or use the geo-provided voicemail code to reach the voicemail service. This registers your mailbox. You do this now because it creates the mailbox and prompts PIN setup. Make sure to listen to prompts carefully. They guide the initial greeting and PIN creation for secure access. Once your mailbox exists, you must set a PIN and greeting so messages stay private. Listen to prompts to enter and confirm a 4-6-digit PIN. This secures access. Then record a concise greeting explaining caller options. Short greetings reduce caller drop-off. After that, go to call forwarding or call divert settings and set divert to your voicemail number for no answer, busy, and unreachable conditions. This ensures callers reach voicemail automatically when you can't pick up. To retrieve messages, dial 1999 or long press 1 in the phone app. Enter your PIN when prompted so you can hear new and saved messages. Make sure notifications for voicemail SMS are enabled so you don't miss alerts. If messages don't arrive, first restart your phone and confirm call divert settings still point to the Geo voicemail number. Network changes can reset these. If problems persist, check balance or contact Geo support. But most issues clear after toggling network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.